Morning, everybody. It is 8:38 on this Thursday, the 2nd of May, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 2158. Okay, Asia and Europe. Asia mixed, Europe up on the day. Here at home, futures higher have been all morning. And we had some economic numbers, so I'll give you those in a minute, but okay, well, let's see. Claims, initial claims. If it's Thursday, it's claims day. It came in a little light. The estimate was for up 210, came in at up 208, and that's versus 208 last week, revised. Continuing claims, 1,774,000. That's almost exactly unchanged. We had productivity and unit labor costs. This is where the bad news comes in. Productivity was up a little, up 0.3, but that's the monthly number. The annual number, 3.5%. Unit labor costs sharply higher. Expectations were for just under 4. We came in at up 4.7. Trade balance 69.4 billion versus 70 billion. So the futures have been pretty much in the same place since I came in. Although right now the Dow is up 214. So the progression there was 186, 194, now 214. The S&P is up 34. That has been pretty much the same all morning, up 33, up 34, now up 34. Let's see if we can get you a NASDAQ number, up 170. That one has been up 157, up 162, and now, as I said, up 170. So all of these numbers came, and they were pretty much in line, and there was some balance. We had the productivity, as I said, up 0.3. Unit labor costs, though, up. That number was hot. As far as interest rates go, we were around 460 and a half. Now we're 462. That's on the 10-year. Pardon me, that's a 5-year. The 10-year is pretty much the same, 462. 462.2. Okay, we had the chart on the screen is the corn, which I touted over the weekend in the letter as, sitting in a spot. This is the daily, looking like it could break out. The high here was 453 and a quarter. We're 457 right now, and we're up about 6.25 there. As far as earnings yesterday, Qualcomm with a beat, and it's 172.97. That's up 886 or 5%. DoorDash with a huge miss on revenues, and EBITDA only in line, 113.26, down 14.25 or 11.1. Etsy in line, stock is down 13.3%. That's $9.29 at 60.45. So that's a huge one. Peloton with a miss, the stock is higher. 347 up 25 or 7.7%. Miss of by 9 cents. Revenues in line, guidance below expectations, and the CEO stepping down. A big winner yesterday was Carvana. They beat on top and bottom lines. The stock really took off. Right now, 118.71. That's up 31.41. Nordisk, basically unchanged on their numbers, which are beat top and bottom. C.H. Robinson, 79 26 up 717 or 10% when they beat by 23 and beat on the revenue. MGM up $3 and change to 42.85. That was a beat of 18 cents and a beat on revenue. Excuse me. eBay beat, but only reported in line um, for revenues, only in line for Q2 and below revenue, below consensus. Um, Avis 101.50 up 675 with a miss of 7 cents. So they beat on revenues. They missed by 27 cents and didn't do anything on guidance, so we're up 7. And Corvo 101.99, that's down $10 or 9%, even though they beat by 18 cents. They beat on revenue. The guidance again weak. Q1 EPS below consensus, revenues below consensus. So that's how you get that down 9%. Let's go back to the futures here and take a look at the entire screen. Okay, as I said, grains higher, oil up 42 cents. That's after a huge sell off. Gasoline up about a penny, heating oil down only a quarter of a cent, nat gas up a nickel. Gold down 270, silver down 28, copper down a nickel. Uh, let's see, cotton is up a half a dollar, down $6.70 on the coffee. That one deserves a look because I haven't shown it to you recently, and it's just completely reversed this last move. It's into support here in the range of about 206, 206 and a half, but it's awfully close, and the 5 and 20-day moving averages have also rolled to the downside. Let's see what else we have. The dollar is slightly lower, down 6 cents. Bitcoin up 1,800. Ethereum up 58. And the bonds are down 12.30 seconds. All right, folks, be careful out there. Going to be a long day. Have a good one.